Yes, I'm back again with another random business opportunity. Yeah. This one is my favorite. We need to talk about tire shredding. As not recycling. We want to talk about tire shredding as a business opportunity. And it. Why does this business make sense to me? Tire shredding. Or unotora mataya akweyo anditika akafa akazara everywhere. Anditika then it's to shredder into my granules or also into powder. This is one business model where I told show kakuti in revenue yakadaro. Just my granules and what do you call it, powder alone. We are looking at $21 million of revenue from just the last 2 years. This is something you can ignore. You can invest by these things. So right idea, because one thing you need to appreciate about some of these businesses we come presenting here at this is to take it out of mafunga kana pane pauya munhu adakubatsirwa kushape that business model, then patiri kuzonoita offer that research yedu kuti tiite opportunity viability assessments as well, ndo patakuwana more information. I was shocked. Tire shredding chete ine mari yakadai also. So why does it make sense? The resource or the source is readily available. Mukatarisa the number of cars that are imported in Zimbabwe per year, then the number of cars that are having tire replacements per year, it's crazy. In mini alone, ndinotoziva kuti motikari yangu ndinofamba kuenda nayo kuma inspections nekuita zvese zvemaraunds zvangu ndinoreplace my tires 3 times a year, because mapotholes akawandisa ndinofambira futi mumasango, so unozongona tire abvaruka rimwe racho rinenge nema threads achiribo patotozongona zvatakwa ratsemuka rabaiwa rane maplugs akawandisa stuff. So tire replacement is so big in Zimbabwe, and ukachizvitarisa now kukudhampa matire now, it has become a problem as well. Even for my councils, it has become a problem. My tires are even when my home industry unotoona mamwe kuti no, they've been dumped there. Kune mamwe vachiri kumbomashandisa kugadzirawo boots nezvimwe zvakadaro, but management of that waste is a problem in Zimbabwe actually. And so why does this business make sense as well? It's cheap. And because inini ndikati ndoda kutenga matayi inini akafa rakaora checharo unongangana maburi nekuita sese ne anenge abuda zvimabhora aya aditika anenge aseparata, you are looking at $1 to $2 mataya akafa aya, mamwe acho unomaona for free. That's why it makes sense. But now let me be serious for once. Let's talk about the real business opportunity here. You need to understand that there are 3 key products that you are looking for. Tisati ta shredder tire kuti magranules kana mapiece. Chinhu chekutanga panobuda rubber. Then chinhu chechipiri panobuda wire. Chinhu chechitatu panobuda inonzi nylon fiber. So tire rako usatosvika pakuribvarura, we should extract these 3 things. So rubber, why rubber ichidiwa? Rubber ndo inoshandiswa kuitwa inonzi asphalt road construction maintenance, inoshandiswa ku road construction. Then ma playgrounds ese yakafana nema courts, ma basketball courts, ma tennis courts, ma playground evana chaichaiwo anoshandiswa rubber floors as well. Then rubber ndo iri kushandiswa zvekare kugadzira ma tiles murikuona. Then rubber is also used as well kugadzira yatinoti insulation material. So mu Zimbabwe now Chinese are kutenga rubber akawandisa. Usatotofunga zvovenda South Africa. Chinese are kutenga rubber akawandisa. So it really makes sense. So this is the general price guidelines are readily available right now in the market. Rubber granules kana iri local market are kutengeswa at $400 a ton. Then kana iri powder iri kutengeswa at $520 a ton. Then steel wire iri kutengeswa at $200 a ton. Then textile fiber ndo nylon fiber iri yatataura iyai iri kutengeswa $135 a ton. Then there is another product that they are able to get there kana mapedza kugrinder nekuburitsa powder mataya pari kubuda inonzi carbon block iroro riri kuitwa $300 per ton richitengwa. So you can see that it's something that makes sense. Then I also need to pay attention to the sources. Where can we get my tires? It's not gonna complications. We are looking at my service garages. I don't remember pandaka chinja mataya motikari yangu ndikabida ino na umba. Nosvika wakumba kwakutogadzira panogarira makonzo. handisiri ndega ndinodaro, vakawanda vanodaro kuti achingonochinja matayi ake anobva atosiyana hani chamade whether uchamatengesa uchaona kana dhora kana pondo zvazvo kwako izvozvo. So maservice garages ndo one of the most reliable sources yekuwana matayi. And then you are also looking at mechanic yards. Mechanic yards obviously ndo wandira kuharare maexample handichapa muchandiregerera. Anditi tine kwamashwede kugarage kuya, ukatopinda imomo muchicomplex chekwamashwede chiya unoona matayari everywhere. Then we are also looking at ana Gazaland, we are also looking at ana CSO mbare CSO kumagaba anditika. Then kana kuri kuna chitungwiza, you are also looking at ana Chikwana area there, ana Makoni area, you see kuti kwakawanda kuona kwana chi matayi aya. Then the other reliable source yanokwanisa kwana matayi even at a cheaper cost, transport companies, company ane mabus. Just imagine you get a contract yekuti iwo group wa West yematayi ese ekumkumba brothers ekuinter Africa ekuCAG and kana kuri kuma trucks ndo kunopa example yema trucks anongoya at the back of my mind anapote wabata contract yemaningirine pana pota aya kana zvima train trucks zvazvo and pese pano replace matayi awo ariva replace kwa ese ka 1 whether 8 kana 16 matayi ariva replace kwa 1, you can get them there at a cheaper price, especially matayi kuti abva pama trucks pama bus and stuff. Here they have value because anoshanda now nekuti 1 ton of matayi anokuburitsira magranules and yashiredwa kutoka ma small granules to ma small particles 700 kgs and then inokuburitsira 15% of wire of that. So you are looking at tonnage yakanaka because 1 ton I don't know kuti matayi aya right now anorema chi regonyetira, so but it's so easy to make 1 ton with matayi iwo aya. Then the other source you can rely on as well matire fitters, and the matire fitters yedu mumarokation yedu nemumaside meroad sama size boss nazi pono kuchifamba just check along the streets unoona matire mamwe acho achatosiye zvekuita now and so you can see there but it's a good business opportunity there. Then the export market now, granules they are going for $850 a ton, then wire is going for $350 a ton, then fiber it's going at $280 a ton, which is also good. Then they are also looking at rubber powder, which is going at $800 a ton. So these are the things you'll be looking at. So what will be the startup cost? The startup cost you are looking at around $15,000 to $35,000. And I will explain to you why. Cost actually per machinery, but obviously you can start small, take to my domestic twelve, but obviously with the mindset to grow, which you can cut now startup investment to 15,000 and it machine now. This one is a hybrid machine. It's a tire shredder and a granulator. So you know via shredder tire and it you via my granules food. Lending cost yacho Zimbabwe right now standing at $6,000. And then you are also looking at a fiber separator. Do you to pick a tire paper for your tora twine it says there's a tambo there. Zozo shandis one who's on a boots to the they don't have that piscom Satma Varura tire. You are looking at $3,000 for that machine. Then you need a wire remover as well. It's lending at $3,000. But this one is powerful because chirku shredder chino remover matai yayo 300 to 500 matayi per hour. This is your genema woko kwanso kubvisa wires and then you also need a tire cutter because kana takutengesa bit local taku exporter kune ma processing plants edu and wires edu zofana kuti in uniform sizes as well. So you are looking at $1,500 to $2,000 for that machine, you know, so it cutter in equal pieces and then you need another mabela kana compactors and ma granules edu yesu tire edu rabvarwa mapiece twaraitwa rofana kucompactwa roitacho one chiblock chekuti they are easy to load, they are easy to transport, and even kumayera after anenge anyore chicompactor chindo chakatoti chipecho. You are looking at a lending cost of $1,500 duty and everything they included and then you need what they call a respa machine. So this one now ndo yekuti mapedza kubvisa wire dzenyu anditika obviously pane dzimwe dzichasarira imomo anditi easy so rinogona kuvhiringika. So iri zvarinozoita nawo rinoshandisa magnet the respa machine. Respa machine nawo inotanga kuti magranules yenyu anenge achiflowa so anditika kunge ari pa munoriti chi conveyor belt. So ndo panenge achifamba ipapo. Ichi chinenge chiri pamusoro chichifamba chichipika chinopika nemagnet now. So chakupika even the small wires dzongosokwanisa kuona, because wire dzako magranules ako erubber akazonoonekwa nabhaya kuti akasangana newire vakudonedza grade vanhu vagona kuramba, because kwavari looks like you are cheating. So they will be testing all those things as well. So that's why it's very important to invest in a RESPA machine as well. Inoshandisa magnet to pick out even the smallest particles the wire muraba yako. And then the other machine that you need as well, especially kana wa to invest ma machines akati kuri high, and you are looking at a forklift as well. Forklift inozokubatsira even kuisa mataya ma machines either mu wire remover or fiber remover or mu shredder, and zvinoreruka because matayi aya emagonyeti nemabhazi anorema matayi aya, kana matayi ematractor kana emacombine harvesters, and anorema matayi aya. So you would need something like a forklift, or you kwanisa kutenga a mini crane iri kulenda ku Zimbabwe na around 4-5,000 as well. Zvinoona kukubatsira. Then definitely you need a truck, of which the minimum you can start with here, you are looking at a 15-ton truck. Rona kukubatsira kuita basa renani. And then the other thing we also need here, per investment ye machinery yako, you need a dryer, because uko kana wakupinda ku export market, they are very serious about moisture content in muraba mako. So ukatasara matayi wamatora kwakasiyana siyana, and mambo mageza futhi kubisa dzimwe tsvina and stuff. So mnembla kuti pamene mapedza kuigaya kuita magranules ma small particles pipe, you need to dry it up to a level ravanoda remoisture imomo, so that auzonzo kuti say uri kuchita as well. And so now we have got the idea kuti how does this business work. Let's talk about compliance. Uko nawo ndokwe zvinhu zvakawandisa. Ndanyora futi kuti tisarasane. And first license raunoda iwe, obviously a business registration achataura ma basics. And panotanga madrama anditika tikutangira kuchi kuHarare City Council. And kuHarare City Council you need a zoning permit. And zoning permits ndo akatobuda pakareduce ma price apa. Yakanzi iri fixed at $1,000. And so you need a zoning permit inokuratidza kuti area yoda kuitira iyoyo inotenderwa here kuita factory inoshredder nekuprocessa matayi. And ndo chinhu chekutanga. Then uri kuHarare City Council usati wabuda ikoko, you need a waste disposal license or permit. And iroro riri kuitwa $200 as well. Uchiri kuchi kuHarare City Council ikoko. Then kana wadaro, you need to take my documents iyayo ofo waenda kuno apply for your factory license. And pauri kuoperatira panda factory license as well, raunoissuiwa neHarare City Council as well. Then obviously fire brigade yakuiwo chiti you need a fire safety license as well ipapo. So kuHarare City Council chete you are looking at about $2,000 mari iri kunosara kuHarare City Council chete. Then wotora documentation yese iyo yaunayo, and ofo waenda kuEMA dokumwe kuri kunodona mari about $2,000. You need a recycling and waste handling certificate or permit rinoita $1,000 kuEMA. It's mandatory, it's non-negotiable. Then you need what they call an environmental impact assessment license, because unofana kuya kuzoassessa paruta ipapo, because pochango uchigaya kumaita magranules or powder, you are emitting, you are polluting the air and stuff. So they need to know that it's safer. Because rubber, there are a lot of chemicals there. So now can also change into powder. Now we have more floating air. They need to make sure that an environmental impact assessment has been issued, and this one goes for $500. And then what by now, wakuenda iwewe ku Ministry of Health, you need a license, the occupational health and safety license. You prove that there are systems in place and you have been inspected and approved. And vashandi vako vashande zvakanaka, vachange vari safe. Not just vashandi vako, but even your clients and your neighbors as well. And they vaunenge makashandidzana nawo. So iri munonyanya kufocus on health yevanhu, because produce a lot of dust. So there are a lot of documentations anodiwa ikoko. Kana makuzoda zvinezvi, obviously we can talk further. And banera uchaja iya zvinezvane film kati. And then kana uri kuda kuexporta now, the biggest buyer where is South Africa. So definitely you will need now an export license. So an export registration license rako urunoruwana kuzimura. So kuzimura ikoko ndipo vanobva kupa exporter number yako nezvese zvinechekuita neclearance nemajuta anenge aida kubhadharwa ipapo. And then kana you are going to export now rubber granules or powder, now they are looking at an ISO certification because their standards of rubber inodiwa kuti inzi meet the global processing standards across the countries. So this one now unokwanisa kuenda kumazimu standards uko aditika iri kudhuze kunana memborini uko, because I know kuti it's a Harare drive. Road yacho ndaukanganwa, but ndo road inoenda kunana memborini kusero, ndo kune Zimbabwe Standards Association ikoko. And you go there vanokuudza, then woita zvese zvinoitwa, wopuwa zasi a certification yako, woita ISO yako there in the same offices there. So my license are papa, you are looking at about 11 licenses. And kana waita zvinhu now my licenses are kubhadharwa on a yearly basis. So investment yekuma license yet, from the way I looked at it, you are looking at around $3,000 to $5,000 muma licenses chete nema inspections. And but kana wada so wagona wateta say wawina. But the good thing now about this business as well, automotive factory no shamsira ukatokwanisa kuwana in open field muisa shed ma machines enyu online when order yekuti pekutanga ndekugezwa kwematai, poita pekuti rakubviswa waya, rakubviswa fiber, rova raenda kunosheredwa, rova ratodryiwa, rova ranocompactwa, rova ratoita sei overtopekwa. So ma machines anorongwa in a line of operation zvokuti I'll try to share a video as well, nema photos actually, so that you can see how it goes. But this is one of those random business ideas dzinenge dzangoti ngatimbo discuss. And I promise you to give you one more, and this one is going to be very, very interesting as well. So zvese zvaitwa zvapera atitika ngora kuitire zvakanaka. God bless you.